Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is first video on a well-known automation testing tool called Playwright. I'll be creating more on this in upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Playwright is a powerful end-to-end testing tool that has been rapidly gaining popularity among testers. I have already uploaded a short video on Playwright tool. I will link that in the video description. You can watch it later. In this video, I will demonstrate how we can set up a test automation framework using Playwright from scratch. I'll be using Playwright with .NET and we'll see what all are the required components and NuGet packages to set up the framework. So let's start setting up the framework. To make things easy, I have created this PowerPoint document with the steps which we'll be following to set up the framework. Here you can see what all are the components which are required to set up the framework. And then you can see here what all are the packages or extensions which are required. We'll be installing all these in Visual Studio. And here you can find some useful commands which I will be explaining in the video. So the first thing, we have to install Visual Studio because we will be using Visual Studio as IDE. Simply search for Visual Studio and open this link. And you can download this community version 2022. And once Visual Studio is installed, we have to install Node.js as well because because Playwright is a Node.js library, so we have to have Node.js as well to work with Playwright. So simply install Node.js and you can download and install it from here. I am not doing this because I have already installed in my machine. So once this is installed, to verify it's installed successfully, we have to run these two commands. So for that, you can simply search for cmd and open the command prompt, and you can type node -v, and then it will show the installed version of node.js, and same you can type for npm as well, npm -v, and it will show the version of npm as well. So this way we have successfully installed Visual Studio and Node.js on our machine. Okay, now to start with, we have to launch the Visual Studio first. And once you launch, you will be on this screen. Now we have to create a new project. For that, we'll click on this create a new project option. Now on this screen, you will be seeing some available templates with which we can create our project. And on the left hand side, you will be seeing some recently used templates. You might not see this option. You simply have to search this X unit here. And now you will find this template. And then you have to click on this next button. And one more thing, we are using X unit because our framework will be based on X unit. Okay, so that's why I'm selecting this template. Now click on this next button. Now on this screen, you have to provide some details like what would be project name, location in your local system, and then solution name. Solution is nothing but just a container of one or more projects. So let me give it name like automation, but scroll with Playwright. Okay, and here if you want to give some solution name, you can give it, or you can just check it, and this way our project and solution will be in same directory. Now you just have to click on this next button, and now on this screen you have to select which .NET framework you want to use. So we'll go with this .NET 8. Okay, and now you have to just click on this create button. Now you can see this project is created inside the solution, and the name is same which we given while creating the project. And on the left hand side, you can see one .chproj file, and this is a configuration file of the project. Here you can see the target framework as .NET 8, which we selected while creating the project, and also some of the pre-installed NuGet packages. One thing to mention here, the way we have dependencies in Maven, in the same way we have this NuGet packages in .NET. So if you remember, in the PowerPoint document, there was some of the extensions and NuGet packages which we were supposed to install. So out of these extensions and NuGet packages, So first three are the extensions and rest are the NuGet packages. So we'll go with NuGet packages first. If you see .NET test.sdk is already installed, now we'll go for Playwright. Okay, so for that we have to go to Visual Studio, and here if you see on this right side, if you have to click on this manage NuGet package, after right click on the project, you'll get this option. You have to click on this, and once you click on this, you will see these three tabs here: browse, installed, and updates. So browse is the section where you have to search for the NuGet packages which you want to install, and on install tab you will see what all are the currently installed packages, and in update section you will find if there are some updated version available for the currently installed packages. So now we have to install Playwright first. So we'll search for Playwright here, Playwright, and you have to just search it. You'll get some search results. So if you see the first one, this is what we have to install. So on right side, if you see the latest stable version, and you will see one install button as well. So once you click on this install button, you will get some message. So basically this is kind of confirmation pop-up. You just have to click on apply. And once you click on this apply, you have to go back to this file .chproj, and here you can see this NuGet package is added now. So this is unsaved. You can see that little star here. So you just have to click Ctrl S to save the changes. And now on right side, if you see, if you expand this dependencies section and under package, you'll find this Playwright NuGet package added here, means Playwright is successfully installed. Now next we have to install this Living Doc plugin. This we will be using for reporting purpose. So we have to install this NuGet package as well. So we have to switch to our Visual Studio, and here in this search bar we have to search for Living Doc, and then you'll get this plugin. Okay, you have to just click on this one and then click on this install button. You'll get this pop-up. You have to click on this apply and then I accept. So this way, if you come to this .chproj file, you will see this plugin is also added. Now next we have to install for the spec flow. So if you see this PPT document, the next is this specflow.exe unit. So this will be the last one because the next one is already installed. So now we'll switch back again to our Visual Studio, and there we'll search for this spec flow. So for that we have to just come to this spec flow, and we have to search for specflow.exe unit, this one, and just click on this install button, and then again you'll get confirmation pop-up. You have to click on apply. And now if you go to this .chproj, you will be able to see all those NuGet packages are added. Now we'll install the first three items: binder, variables, and user secrets. They are for managing the variables and secrets effectively. You'll get to know more about these in upcoming videos. For now we'll install this. We have to switch back to our Visual Studio, and here you have to search for binder first. You'll get the option here to install, and once you click on this install button, you'll get one pop-up on which you have to click on apply button, and once you click on apply button, you can see the green tick here, means this item is installed. Now we have to install the second one in the same way, that is for user secret, and once you search for this, again you'll get this option, click install, apply, and then we'll search for the environment variable. So once you search it, you'll get the option here. Again click on install and then apply, and now you can come back to this .chproj file, and here you can see those three items are added here. This file is unsaved. You just have to click Ctrl S to save it. So now we are done with installing all these NuGet packages. So right side in package, you can see all those configurations are installed. This way we are done with the basic setup of our framework. Now in the next video, we'll see how we can create the framework structure and how we can write the tests in specflow in BDD format, and we'll run them. That's all for now. See you in the next video. If you like my effort, please encourage me. I'll be creating more such content. Thank you.